Let's build tic-tac-toe game. Here ChatGPT, I write this prompt. Write code to make tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now ChatGPT is generating HTML code for index.html file. And now ChatGPT is generating CSS code for a style.css file. And now ChatGPT is generating JavaScript code for a script.js file. And now ChatGPT is generating HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Let's copy this HTML code and paste it in index.html file and save it. And copy this CSS code and paste it in style.css file and save it. And then copy this JavaScript code and paste it in script.js file and save it. And let's open this index.html file in web browser, and you can see our tic-tac-toe game is ready. Now our game is working perfectly. We didn't write any code. ChatGPT is create this game less than 1 minute. I hope you like this video. If you want to watch something similar videos, consider subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.